whatever. Hey, what's up, friends? What's going on? So right now I'm getting ready to trim my partner's hair for the very first time. So I just thought that I would record to see how it turned out, because I don't know, I'm excited. I've never cut hair, I've never done anything, so she's letting me trim her hair for the very first time. That's why I'm looking rough and stuff like that, so please don't mind how I look. So I'm going to trim her hair just about an inch, maybe a little over an inch, and yeah, I wanted to do it because I've been wanting to like cut guys' hair, you know, but like a razor and stuff like that. So if I see any men around, I would just be like, hey, can I shave your head or your beard or something? But anyways, yeah, so today right now she's looking for a spray bottle so I can get her hair more wet because it's getting dried, and I'm gonna start cutting her hair. So you guys want to see how I do and how I end up, let me know. Hopefully everything's gonna go perfectly well. So we'll see. Anyways, Sky is probably gonna be the one that's gonna be our camera woman or camera kid. She's gonna try to record a little bit, or I don't know, I'm gonna have the camera stand. But anyways, I'm rambling on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I do well. So let's get it started, huh?
Say him real quick, give me $100 and he'll clean this right up.
$100, bro. No, how would you pay for it?
You want me to pay for it?
You broke it.
Okay, here's the thing. Yeah, this is it's not gonna work anymore. Hold on, I got you though. I got you. What I got in my backpack,
You do it again.
This will take care of it, right? I got you brand new.
So this is what I got done so far. I'm gonna cut it like right there. So
Do it with ramen. You want me to scrape the ramen with it? We'll go to the store real quick. Drive me to the store real quick. Get some ramen and fix it up real quick.
no,
Please. It still works though. Look, the screen's still on.
it's
Is it cracked? I didn't see it. I can't tell. This case doesn't work very good.
oh really?
Yeah, okay, let me try to get the case off.
That's the
I
first
feel like you're
cut.
taking the case off.
Oh my god.
You dropped it off of the
No,
case.
Your first cut
I
ever.
didn't.
Oh my god, it's been
I'm sorry.
years.
Don't cry. Please don't cry. No, don't
I
cry.
know, it's been at least 8 years since your hair's
Hold on,
cut.
hold on.
Longer.
he'll be
That's
pissed.
why I told you. I was
Hello?
all like, are you sure?
Hey,
Because
where you
it's
at?
going to
No,
take
you're
me a
supposed to
long
come pick
time
me up. I
to
told you I was
cut
gonna go to the mall. No, I know.
Okay.
Hey, I got
Auntie's cutting
I got
first
you.
hair.
What? You're with him? What you mean you're with him again?
And wait,
I thought you
music.
just stopped cheating.
And
I've
wait.
already caught you twice. No. You gotta be playing with me. You gotta be playing.
Okay.
I'm
I
on
don't
my
like
way
the
out
actual
here right now. I need you to
hairstyle.
scoop me up. Alright, yo, my man, real quick, hold on. I'm borrowing somebody's phone.
Don't judge me. This is the first time ever cutting hair. I have no idea what I'm doing. So, you know, people gonna watch this video, they're gonna be like, she's doing it all wrong. What is she doing?
No, don't say that. That's scary.
Do you like this song? Auntie, I'm gonna put on Instagram. Okay, do you know? Do you know?
You know what? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying my best, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job for the first time. It's pretty even. See? Right? I'm doing a pretty good job for the first time. So if you guys are a barber or a pro, don't come at me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying my best, and I think I'm doing a pretty decent job for a first time ever cutting hair. Ever. So this is what I got done so far. This is the length. I don't know how I did, but oops, sorry baby. Sorry for the loud ass TV. See, I try and layer it a little bit. So see, see. Short there, long here. I don't know. Go check out your hair and tell me what you think. Go to the bathroom, come back and tell us what you think. So, even cut a little bit of her bangs. First time. Woo! What did you say?
I said you did do a good job.
Yeah, it got shorter. I did good, huh? You like it? I even gave you a little layer in the front.
Guys, what about the... It's 12 o'clock.
It's way past 12. I wish it was 12 o'clock. Yay! I did good for my first time.
It's okay, leave it. It's up on the carpet.
Yeah. Well, you guys let me know. That's the end of the video. I just want to show you guys my first haircut. Woohoo! Say bye, friends. Say bye, friends. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
We just started vlogging. Come on, are you serious?
No, listen.
Anyways, guys.
Because I just straightened your hair. I want to see how it looks straightened. That's all. Looks good. It looks so good. I did do a good job. Look at that. I'm so proud of myself. You want to see your hair, how your hair look dried and straightened and stuff? I did good. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah.